This garden is in Cap d'Antibes, about 300 meters from the coast. We have very hot and dry summers, up to 35 degrees, and we have cool, moist winters and heavy rainfalls in autumn and sometimes in spring. So the inspiration for this garden came out from a local landscape, which is called the garrigue. The garrigue is a type of low shrubland that you can see in the south of France and in other areas of the Mediterranean. And it's found usually in shallow soils, rocky soils, or near to the coast. And I think those elements are great to bring into the garden because you can stretch your view, you have a lot of dynamics, you have different plant architecture, different shapes, different seasonal changes. Also, it's good for pollinators and a good shelter for wildlife. So I created good drainage by decompacting the soil and ensuring there is no water logging in the areas to be planted. So I did this by raising the beds so that the paths are lower than the planting. Basically, we dug out the paths and moved it into the sides, creating these mounds, and then filled those paths with gravel or with stones that already were in the soil. And the geotextile is to avoid weeds to grow. So the paths are always clean. There's almost no weeding to do in there. And the water runs out from the beds towards the paths and then out of the garden.